setting off. Look at us, mate.
What's the time?
4:20.
Sun's on its way out.
On its way out, we're on our way out.
What we're about to do.
We're about to cycle to the Isle of Wight, lap the island and back all in a day, inspired by Global Cycling Network, who did it from Bath or Bath, as you like it, mate. Santiago's got big things ahead of him, strapping his bag to the bike rack. He's got the drone and the GoPro.
Turn left, we're at the river. We're back to Surrey to Essex, yeah, we started here. Here we are, the wrong side of the road. Just about to enter Surrey. Sun is coming out and we're getting in the country again. We're going to Portsmouth to get the hovercraft, man. I've run this way, man.
Let's see.
We're back.
Does that sign look familiar?
Everybody say hey! Hey! So many throwbacks, eh? Surrey!
Hey!
Come on, Surrey, come on, Surrey. We ain't in a hurry! Hold on. Here we are, 5 miles in. And it's time to go. Looking good. Time to turn back, yeah. Hey. Hello, mate. We're in the country already. Whoops. Road liable to flooding. Like it was last time I was here. Mate, it's the life, man. This is why we do what we do, or something like that.
I thought we did it for pain.
We did it for the pain. No pain, no game, no gain. No games. Just Isle of Wight days. Let's go.
This is actually beautiful.
No pain, just plow lane. I mean, like pain, yeah. I mean, no pain, no, you know.
Wait, just cycle. Let me get a quick 30-second shot.
Done 27 miles without a sip of water and it had to stop, even though it's not scenic. Gotta get it done. We've got 2 hours 10 minutes, yeah. We got this. We're gonna get to Portsmouth on time. That's for the hovercraft, man. Hovercraft, 10 minutes to Isle of Wight. That's no time for a break, mate. Yeah. Alright man, so we've got about 25 miles to Portsmouth, yeah, we got this, we're gonna get it done. And yeah, because I
What's
mean,
the time?
Well, it's 7:50.
We're doing good time.
And there's a lot more to this day, so we've got this, mate. Come Portsmouth, that's a third of it. We got that lap Isle of Wight, and we got back. Yeah, here we are. Nice country lanes. I've ran down here, London to Portsmouth. Let's go.
Alright, let's make some time. Tough out at Petersfield. Alex is currently on his way to the hovercraft. And then we're gonna get back on the cycling. Let's go.
So,
okay.
yes! How was your journey?
Quick.
Oh yeah,
brief.
Nice, good man. Yeah, how long have you been here? For a while then, yeah?
Not even 10 minutes.
Oh shit, is it?
Genuinely.
I'm here, man.
abroad.
Well, that's us right now, mate.
Oh, hi. This is a holiday.
all this bleaking out we got to do, mate. It's the English summer holiday, mate. Tunbridge Trio, yeah, let's go. On the hovercraft, amphibious vehicle then.
Look at that French sandwich. That's
Yeah.
the secret to success.
And a bit of a slice. I only had a sand cheese sarnie. I only had that London
Only?
to Southsea, just a bite of sand cheese sarnie, mate. Now it's time to get the coffees in. The sarnies, the slices, mate.
Hey, what happened to your face, man?
Yeah, I was trying to handstand. I fell on my face.
Yeah, awesome.
Proper little mark for the memories, mate.
Hey, let's go. Hey.
Hey. Jeez, we're getting a bit seasick. No, I'm joking, mate. I live on the river. I love being nautical, mate. Here I am. Let's go.
Nautical.
10 minutes to the way of the cross all the way, mate. Hello, mate. Here we are back at it, Isle of Wight. We're in Ryde. So what we do is we go to Bembridge and Ventnor, then something like the Needles landmark, Yarmouth, Cowes, and back to Ryde. That's the circle of the Isle of Wight. It's pretty much 60 something miles, yeah? Let's get it. We've got Jack here joining us for the Isle of Wight.
Let's get it.
Let's get it, my mate. Right. Hey, Isle of Wight. So we're getting all kinds. Wait, we're getting all kinds of views in here. Going for a swim, me. It's got to happen, mate. It's gotta be done. Okay. Alright. 3, 2, 1, gotta be done. Woo! Let's go! Look at these geezers in their panties, mate. Santi in his panties! Nah, none of that, mate. What's under there? You see it, do ya? Hey! 3, 2, 1! 3, 2, 1, go everyone! We should do 200 miles more often, mate. Global Cycling Network from Bath. Nah, that's from London then. We'll probably do that again somewhere.
Alright. There we go.
Hey, Ventnor. Isle of Wight, mate. So, what's it say on here? 90 miles, 9 hours, 25 minutes, but that includes swimming, mate. Let's see what I can do, because we're going to have a couple dips, 200 miles in a day, plus swimming, plus some walking. That's a triathlon, mate. Let's go.
It actually is, but I'm gonna be doing some lengths, my man.
So Santiago is off, man. Got to Ventnor and he is going to get back to Ride, where you take the hovercraft back, and that's hard enough. He's got to cut inland, he'll be facing all kinds of hills. Well, you'll just walk them or something.
No, don't big it up. I couldn't hack it. That's what happened.
The poncho boy, let's go. Yeah, not big it up, not sugarcoating it. Easy. There we are, man.
Guys, there. Good luck.
There we are, replaced with Jack.
Yeah, exactly.
What are you saying, replacement, man? On boat. We're gonna dip, yeah. We're gonna dip in the beach. We're gonna do whatever, man. It's raining, but you know.
I need that cold plunge to get me fired up, man.
Cold plunge, yeah. It's really a bit cold out here as is, man. Let's go. So that's the thing, yeah. As I've been with him all day, man, and it's like we've gone through a lot.
Yeah. See you on the way. See you on the way back.
Go on, poncho hombre.
Alright, cut.
Hey, I don't know. So here we go, Ventnor Beach. Maybe we're dipping in. Yeah, I might dip in, but it's just mad, mate. Now it's raining. Now we're dipping. Limits are getting tested here, man. Oh! I've got it on my throat, man. Let's go. Oh. Water ball. This is meant to be a cycle, mate. Oh. Hi guys. Yeah. You having a nice swim, yeah? Yeah. Oh man. Oh, whoa. There's no way about it, we just have to be stoked. And it better be all okay. I don't know what to say, but let's make it in a day. I have no idea what to do. Okay. Imagine how Santiago is getting on it. He's got a poncho. He has got a poncho on him. Hello, at least halfway done of the island. It's time to keep it going. I've gone over 100 miles now. Whoop, gotta go. Ah. We are here at Cow's Floating Bridge. Floating bridge. Could have just made a normal one. £1.50. So, I probably haven't filmed in a while, man. It has been big time. 7.5 miles left of the Isle of Wight. Then it's Portsmouth back home. I don't want to talk about it just yet, man. Oh. That's another 65 miles, so we got this, man. That's what. No floating bridge, so on a little boat then. On a boat. Let's go on another one. The reason why I don't want to think about it right now is because time is running out to get back to London. I'm going to have to see just how far I can go before the clock hits midnight. Oh man, that's sick when you hit that reverse. That's a lap of the Isle of Wight. Cycle to the Isle of Wight, lap the Isle of Wight. Now it's time to cycle back. I'm feeling alright, mate. Burger. Hey, on the burger. It's burger day. Come on, yeah, that's my
my guys on the AA.
Hey, what's the time? How many more miles left?
Time. Let's go.
That's good enough. That's good.
We're in Ryde. Finishing off with these guys, Santiago and Jack. It's time to be on my own. It's a different part of the adventure, man. It's good to break these things up into parts, you know, the parts when I'm with people, the parts when I'm not, I can finally go quick. Hey,
funny.
Gotcha again, man.
Funny again.
So we're on that hovercraft back, man. And it's all me now, on my own. Let's go. That's Isle of Wight. That's London to Isle of Wight, lap the Isle of Wight and get back to Petersfield, where the clock there's just gone midnight. I ran out of time in the day. So what can you do in a day? 160 miles, swim on 2 beaches, good time with friends, 2 hovercrafts, and a nice adventure. All the best, that's how it is down south. Alex's adventures, no games, but fun times, quite a bit of games.